Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today it's going to be a very fun project. Yes, we are going to do this massive Snickers sandwich. This can be a great treat for people who love Snickers and chocolates. So let's get started. Firstly, you need some Snicker bars. Next, take few breads. Now take your Snickers and break them into pieces. After you're done, double boil them to melt them completely. This does take time, and I used some chocolate syrup to get this consistency. Keep this aside and toast the breads. Now add some chocolate syrup over it. Now after you do this, take your melted Snickers and spread it all over the bread. Here I am making 3-layered sandwich. After you're done, add another layer of bread and repeat the process. And in the end, add some sauce over the top and just spread over the remaining chocolate. And that's it, you're done. Your amazing yummy Snickers sandwich is ready to eat. This hardly takes any time and doesn't need any great cooking skills to do it. All you need is some appetite to eat and few Snicker bars and you're sorted up. And now I'm gonna go and enjoy this sandwich while you people go and hit the subscribe button and that like button. So that's it guys, and meet you in my next video. Happy crafting, bye bye.